Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how I prepare and apply rosemary water infused with cloves, a simple but powerful natural remedy I've started using to help restore moisture and encourage healthier hair growth. To begin with, I bring a pot of water to a boil, and once it's bubbling, I add my rosemary. Rosemary is known for its ability to stimulate circulation in the scalp, which can support hair growth and improve scalp health overall. Next, I add a small amount of cloves. Cloves are rich in antioxidant and nutrients that can help strengthen the hair and prevent breakage. Together, rosemary and cloves make a potent combination for dry, brittle, or thinning hair. I let the mixture simmer gently for about 10 minutes. This allows all the goodness from the herbs to infuse into the water. Once it's done simmering, I take it off the heat and allow it to cool completely. After that, I strain the liquid to remove the leftover herbs and then pour it into a clean container. You can also use a spray bottle for easier application. Now when it comes to using it, I like to spray the rosemary and clove water directly into my scalp, making sure to pat my hair and really get into those roots. I gently massage it in with my fingertips to help boost circulation and absorption. I also spray it down the length of my hair to add hydration and nourishment. Since my hair has been feeling especially dry, I've found that this really helps to refresh and soothe my strands between wash days. You can use this treatment a few times a week, but for me, I prefer to use it 2 to 3 times a week. You can either use it as a leave-in or rinse it out after 30 minutes depending on what your hair needs. But as for me, I prefer to use it as a leave-in treatment. So that's it. That's how I make and use rosemary water with cloves as part of my routine to combat dryness and support healthy hair growth. I'll keep you updated on my results, and if you've tried this before, let me know how it worked for you in the comments section below. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.